In today's video, I'm going to show you how to paint in Photopea step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is a simple and powerful way to start drawing, shading, and adding color without needing expensive software. We'll go through the basic setup, choose the right brush, pick your color, adjust your brush settings, and then actually start painting on the canvas. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Photopea in your browser and load the image or project you want to work on. Before you start painting, the most important thing is to create a new blank layer. This keeps your painting separate from the original image, so you can edit freely without permanently changing the background. To do that, look at the Layers panel on the right side of the screen, and at the bottom, you'll see the new layer icon. Click that small page icon to create a fresh layer. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl-Shift-N on Windows or Command-Shift-N on Mac. Once your new layer is ready, the next step is to select the brush tool. You'll find it on the left toolbar and it looks like a paintbrush. Just click it once or use the shortcut key B to activate it instantly. The brush tool is the main tool you'll use for painting, sketching, shading, and adding effects in Photopea, so it's worth getting comfortable with it. Now, it's time to choose your color. At the bottom of the left toolbar, you'll see two overlapping color boxes. The top square is your foreground color, and that is the color your brush will use when you paint. Click on that foreground color box to open the color picker window. From there, select the exact color you want, then click OK to confirm it. If you want to quickly switch between your foreground and background colors, press X on your keyboard. That shortcut is really useful when you're switching between two colors while painting. Next, let's adjust the brush settings so your strokes look the way you want. Look at the top options bar above the canvas. You'll see brush settings there, including size and hardness. Click the circle next to the brush icon to open the brush settings menu. The size controls how thick or thin your brush stroke is. You can also use the bracket keys to change it quickly, with the left bracket key to make it smaller and the right bracket key to make it larger. Hardness is another important setting. If you set hardness to 100%, your brush edges will be crisp and sharp. This is great for clean outlines or solid shapes. If you lower hardness to 0%, your brush will have soft feathered edges, which is perfect for smooth shading or airbrush style effects. You can also adjust opacity if you want more control over how strong the paint looks. For example, lowering opacity to around 30 to 50% gives you semi-transparent strokes, which is very helpful for blending and gradual shading. Now you're ready to paint on the canvas. Click and drag your cursor across the image or blank layer to start drawing. You should immediately see your brush strokes appear in the color you selected. Take your time and experiment with different brush sizes, hardness levels, and opacity settings to see how each one changes the result. If you're trying to paint a straight line, there's a handy trick for that too. Click once with the brush tool, then hold Shift and click somewhere else on the canvas. Photopea will draw a perfectly straight line between those 2 points. That's the basic workflow for painting in Photopea. Create a new layer first, select the brush tool, choose your color, adjust your brush settings, and then start painting directly on the canvas. Once you understand these steps, you can use them for digital drawing, retouching, highlights, shadows, and all kinds of creative edits. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photopea tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.